Hello, it's Foo Baba. How are you today? You're in for another real treat because got a Dr. Seuss book for you. It's The Cat in the Hat. And you know what the Cat in the Hat likes? Animals. And Foo Baba likes animals. I got some of my favorite animals here with me today. Do you have a favorite animal? Perhaps you have a pet. Well, today we're going to read Dr. Seuss' Book of Animals. And Dr. Seuss, pretty happy. We see animals all around, in the sky and on the ground. You see any of the animals here in the background? See a dog, a cat, see a fish. We see fish thin and fat. Horse? I think there's a horse somewhere around here. Cow? Moo. I hear a cow, but Foo Baba doesn't see a cow. A pig? Or a goat. Even a crow in a hat and coat. We see birds, and we see bees. Bzzz, oh, get out of my way. We see turtles up in trees. Oh. An animal with 2 feet. An animal with 4. I think this animal has 4 feet. An animal with 8 feet. An animal with more. How many feet do you have? Cat in a Hat has 2 feet. Some have big teeth. Some have small. And some do not have teeth at all. This one has feathers, bird. This one has fuzz. This one is a yuzz-a-muzz-tuzz. Some animals are shaggy, and some animals are waggy. They go wag the tail. Some are even ziggy-zaggy. I don't see one with stripes, but this one has spots. This one, any dinosaur has horns. And I don't see anything that has knots. Some live inside. Some live out. Some like to smile. Let's see you smile. Yeah. Let's see those teeth. Some like to pout. Miss Smiley. This one works hard. This one's lazy. This one's mother is called Maisie. Some sleep in beds, Some sleep in nests. Some are called pets. And some are called pests. Bear and donkey, lion and snail, mouse and monkey, rabbit and whale. Every day, from here to there, animals are everywhere. From Foo Ba Ba, and the Cat in the Hat, and animals everywhere. Be kind to animals. Foo Ba Ba. Goodbye. I gotta go. Here comes an animal.